Welcome to the theme section of Yeet. This is where you control the visual appearance of your projects and manage design changes in a centralized and efficient way. In the theme section, we can assign different themes to our projects and quickly implement design changes. By default, a light parent theme and a dark theme are available. We can create a new theme at any time. First, we assign a name and select a parent theme, in this case, light. After creating the theme, we are taken directly to the theme editor. In the top bar, we can return to the overview. We see the theme title and can change it if needed. Here we also have access to subthemes. At the moment, none exist, so we create a new subtheme. We assign a name, select a parent theme, and create it. This allows us to define different themes that can later be assigned to individual pages within a project. These themes can be edited or deleted at any time. We can switch between different views such as mobile and desktop. If the theme is linked to a project, we can add additional domains and assign different themes to different pages. We also have options to undo and redo changes. Using the preview, we can see the theme applied directly within the project. We can save the theme or create a copy and store it under a new name. On the left side, we see the color palettes. Initially, the default color palette is available. We can add new colors, name them, and create additional palettes. For this showcase, I will add a test palette. Within each palette, more colors can be added, allowing multiple palettes with different color sets. Below that, we find the core tokens. Here we can adjust the predefined base colors, change fonts for different areas, and configure additional properties. These include shadows, spacing, sizes, and border radii. We also find the theme scraper here, which is covered in a separate quick guide. In the middle area, we see a header that allows us to filter by components. We can also filter by component state and perform targeted searches. For individual groups, we can define default settings without having to adjust each component manually. These groups can also be collapsed. In addition, we can see the different colors used for the various component states. This gives you a comprehensive overview of the theme section in Yeet. You now know how themes are created, organized, and customized in detail to keep the visual appearance of your applications consistent and flexible.